Hello everyone, good morning. This is Lily from Propow Energy. Today, I'd like to introduce our new generation 16 kilowatt hour home energy storage battery.
The battery is equipped with two handles and wheels, making it easy to transport and install. Look here, this unit is equipped with two NA terminals for the positive and the negative poles alongside multiple communication interface ports. Therefore, our battery is compatible with inverter from mainstream brands including 15, 30, and more. The battery also comes with built-in Bluetooth. You may connect it with your smart app using the Bluetooth serial number. You can view the real-time SO current and the voltage date directly within the app. We also offer custom branded Bluetooth apps printed with your logo, which is able troubleshooting and remote diagnosis functions. What's more, it comes with a colorful LCD screen. It can easily view battery data and select and further your inventory on it. The battery built with great access and BMS. The life cycle has over 6,000. We also have 5 kilowatt hour, 10 kilowatt hour, 15 kilowatt hour, 20 kilowatt hour, and 30 kilowatt hour on there.
Our battery also with all kinds of shipping certificates such as UN 8.3, MSDS, etc. If you want to looking for a very reliable residential home energy storage battery solutions, free to contact with us. I will offer you quotation soon. Bye bye.